stream identification workshop enables the organization to see how the customer, if you like, interacts with the organization and gets the service or product that they're after. It also enables the organization to see what systems are in play in order to enable that service or product to be delivered. And if it's a technology product that is being delivered at the end, who are the people who build that particular product or service that is consumed, and also all the systems that are as part of that value stream to enable that journey, the customer journey, to come in and understand, because those systems need to be maintained, enhanced, and also as we monitor the customer journey, we need to make the customer journey as frictionless as possible, as streamlined as possible. So changes, enhancements, or even removal of those systems is something that we need to be considering. And there are people who look after those systems and do carry out that thing. So, and that's what the identification workshop enables the organization to do. Identify the systems and the people who look after it, and then make sure that those people are organized in line with servicing the customer journey as opposed to the functional units that they belong to.